In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics. This is Mahavish Rana once again with you with another interesting topic. And today I have a very interesting topic for you guys. I hope you are all enjoying my videos. If you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Linguistics and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. For better understanding, please watch this full video because this is a very important topic and this is included in the BS syllabus also, and this will be helpful for the students also. For better understanding, you should watch this video till end. So I'm going to discuss phonetics, one of the important branch of linguistics. So I will tell you in concepts of phonetics in minutes for understanding how words, sounds are produced, transmitted, and perceived. So let's move toward the topic. I will briefly discuss some sub branches of phonetics for better understanding. This will be a very comprehensive and concise video for conceptual study of phonetics. So let's discuss what is phonetics. The study of human speech sounds is called phonetics. There are some key aspects of phonetics. How sounds are made. This is called articulatory phonetics. How sounds travel. The physical properties of speech sounds is called acoustics phonetics. And how sounds are perceived or heard. This is called auditory phonetics. When we talk about sounds, there are different things that came to our mind, that how sounds are made, how sounds are transmitted, how sounds are heard. So these are different branches of phonetics. So basically, there are three types of phonetics. First of all, articulatory, second, acoustics, and third, auditory. I will discuss one by one all these. Stay with me. So, what is articulatory phonetics? The focus of articulatory phonetics is that how speech sounds are physically produced. There are some key factors like voicing. Voicing, we can distribute voice into two different sections, vocal and vibration. Place of articulation like lips, tongue, and throat. You know, we produce sounds like from our throat. So, how sounds are produced, how sounds are articulate. Sounds are articulate with the help of our lips, our tongue, and our throat. And manner of articulation, in which manner the sounds are articulate, like stops, fricatives, and nasal. Some there are types of sounds. Some are stops, some are fricatives, and some are nasals. We will discuss it one by one. So, what is acoustics phonetics? The focus of acoustics phonetics is the physical properties of speech sounds. Here are some key aspects of acoustics phonetics. Frequency, it means pitch. It means the quality of a sound. Amplitude, loudness. Duration, length of sound. So let's talk about auditory phonetics. The focus of auditory phonetics is how the brain perceives sound. Factors of influencing perception, recognizing speech patterns, distinguishing similar words, understanding accents. IPA is the very important and comprehensive branch of phonetics, but here I am just giving you the concept, the International Phonetics Alphabet, IPA. What is IPA? A standard system for transcribing sound. For example, English SH as in shoe, Spanish R as in harrow. What is the importance of phonetics? Language learning, correct pronunciation, speech therapy, treating speech disorders, linguistics research, studying accents and dialects, technology, speech recognition. So here is a fun. Fact, why do accents exist? You know what is accent? Accents develop due to geography, social influences, historical language evolution. For example, how English pronunciations differs in the UK, US, and Australia. English is the same, but accents are different. Thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Thank you for your attention. I hope you will like this video. I'm repeating my words. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights for more engaging and interactive videos. Always be optimistic, believe in yourself, work hard. Inshallah, I will meet you with another interesting topic. Thank you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.